Have you ever wondered how to become an ethical hacker? How to use your abilities not for mischief, but to help secure the world from digital threats? Well then, you're in the right place. In the next 7 minutes, we'll explore the steps necessary to venture down this exciting path. First off, let's clarify what an ethical hacker really is. You see, an ethical hacker, also known as a white hat hacker, is someone who uses their hacking skills for good. They identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks, just like a malicious hacker would, but instead of exploiting these weaknesses, they report them so they can be fixed. It's a bit like being a digital superhero, using your powers to protect instead of to harm. Now, on to the steps to become an ethical hacker. The journey begins with a solid education. A degree in computer science, information technology, or cybersecurity provides a strong foundation. These fields study computer systems and networks, programming languages, and data encryption, all critical knowledge for an ethical hacker. However, if traditional education isn't your thing, don't fret. Many successful ethical hackers are self-taught. Online courses, certifications, and tutorials can provide you with the necessary skills. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer comprehensive courses in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Remember, the goal is gaining knowledge, not necessarily a diploma. Next, you'll need to get your hands dirty with some practical experience. Nothing beats the hands-on practice of identifying vulnerabilities and patching them up. Try setting up your own network and testing its security. There are also platforms like Hack the Box and TryHackMe, where you can practice your skills in a safe and legal environment. Once you've gained some experience, it's time to get certified. The Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) certification from the EC Council is a widely recognized credential in the field. It validates your knowledge and skills and can greatly increase your chances of landing a job in cybersecurity. Finally, remember that ethical hacking isn't just about technical skills, it's also about ethics. As an ethical hacker, you have a responsibility to use your skills for good. Always respect privacy and legality. Never hack without permission, and always report any vulnerabilities you find. In summary, the path to becoming an ethical hacker involves getting a solid education, gaining practical experience, earning relevant certifications, and adhering to a strict code of ethics. It's a journey of constant learning and dedication, but if you're passionate about cybersecurity and have a knack for problem solving, it can be an incredibly rewarding career. Remember, as an ethical hacker, you're not just a tech whiz, you're a guardian of the digital world, a true superhero in the age of information. Now go forth, future ethical hackers, and use your powers wisely.